guys, my name is Anna Catherine Peel, and I'm a third grade teacher at Pass Road Elementary School in the Gulfport School District.
Today, we're going to be talking about literal and non-literal meanings, specifically RL.3.4 and L.3.5. Let's dive in and look at some idioms.
Well, you're probably looking at me right now like, Miss Peel, what are you talking about? What is an idiom? That's a weird word. So let's dive into the definition. An idiom is a word or phrase which means something different from its literal meaning. At this point, I tell my students that we know the prefix non, and this is the non-literal meaning of a word. We're going to see some examples, and it'll make more sense. Idioms are common phrases or terms whose meaning is changed, but can be understood by their popular use. So, I want to go ahead and look at some examples. The first one is a saying you've probably heard before. It's a piece of cake. I have two things here. One is a picture of a literal piece of cake. That is the literal meaning of this phrase. Here's a piece of cake. But I also have it where it's used in a sentence in its non-literal meaning as an idiom. So it says, Kenyana said that this test was so easy. It was a piece of cake. So if you just finished a test and you said that it was easy and then you said that it was a piece of cake, do you think a piece of cake is a literal piece of cake that you could eat? Or is it meaning something else? Well, if you were thinking it means something else, it means that the test was just really simple, it was really easy, it was straightforward, you are right. So, that's one example of an idiom that you see and probably use in your everyday life. Another example is break a leg. Now, what I like to picture is if you're about to go to the school musical or a school play and maybe you're about to perform and whoever you're staying with, your mom, your dad, your guardian says, go break a leg. They don't really want you to go on stage and get hurt and actually break your leg. I just can't picture your parent or guardian saying break your leg. So let's see what that actually means. I've got a sentence for us. My mom told me to break a leg before the school play. If I was going to be performing, usually people wish you good luck. So I bet break a leg means to wish you good luck. Let's look at one more example. It's raining cats and dogs. This one we can relate to because we just had Hurricane Zeta recently. And Hurricane Zeta truly was raining cats and dogs. Did that mean that cats and dogs fell from the sky? No. But if you remember and you were here for Hurricane Zeta, there was a lot of rain. And it was really loud and it was kind of scary because it was just so much. So I would describe Hurricane Zeta as raining cats and dogs because it was so much rain and it was so loud. So, as we see, an idiom is just the non-literal meaning of a word. It is something that you can use in a phrase, in your everyday conversations with your friends, your family members, or even at school, or you can read about it in a text. And now, you just know when you come across things like, it's a piece of cake, they might not really be talking about a piece of cake. They're just saying something's easy.